Happy Wednesday, everybody. I'm wearing a jacket because I just took Norman out for a walk this morning and it was cold. You can slowly tell summer is slowly drifting away. Not looking forward to that. But the good news is, had some spectacular weather in Wisconsin, like the last week, and I think the next 7-day forecast, like 80 degrees for a high, hardly any wind, partly cloudy days. It's like perfect if you fly drones. Just perfect weather. Today I'm going to be using the Mini 5 Pro. Now, quick story on this. I remember I couldn't wait to get this, seen so many YouTube videos on the Mini 5 Pro and I was like, man, I can't wait till I get that. And I do get it and I hardly ever fly it. So that kind of goes to the problem if you have too many drones, which I have. It's a great problem to have, but I have so many drones, I don't get to fly them all, as much as I want to. But at the same time, I don't want to give any of them up. Thanks again for watching. And I ask that if you like this kind of content, that you'd actually consider subscribing. I got quite a few subscribers lately, and I want to thank each and every one of you that subscribed. It's really cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hit the like button. Only takes a second. It only takes a second to hit the like button and helps get the video out there a little bit more. And lastly, comment. Please comment. I get a lot of views and I'm thankful for every single view I get, but comment. If there's something you want to see or, I don't care, leave a comment. That's one of my favorite things is leaving a comment. All right. We're going to get this bird in the air and we're going to go get some cool stuff around Wisconsin. Let's go.
Good boy. Good boy.